Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up and how to install Google Family Link application and Google Family Link supervision on your child's OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite device. So, firstly, you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's phone or just add child's Google account with the password that only you will know. So click users and accounts. You can delete parents' accounts. You can delete all accounts from this device, or just click add account, add Google account, use pattern. So enter child's email, but you need to know that if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So you need to create an account with a password that only you will know, or just ask the child to change the password. But I recommend you to create a new account for the child. So enter child's email and the child's password. Click next, scroll down, I agree. Cool, now go back, scroll down, click Google, scroll down again, click Parental Controls, get started, child routine, next. Here you need to choose child's Google account with the password that only you will know. Choose this account, click on continue, and now you need to link child's phone, child's account to your Google account, to your parent account. So enter your parent's email and confirm your password. Click next. Scroll down and confirm child's password. Click agree, hello. Click next, scroll down, click next again. Scroll down, click next, skip, and you can go back to the home screen. So cool, now Google Family Link was successfully installed on your child's phone, and now you can supervise his device. For example, to supervise child's device, you need to install Google Family Link application on your phone. You can install this app from the App Store or from Play Store. So open this app. Here you will see all linked accounts, child's accounts to your Google account. So in my case, this account on this phone, it's HDUDB. So click on it, open it, and cool, as you can see, we have full control of the child's phone. We can log his phone, we can schedule his phone, we can block separate applications on his device. For example, I want to block, I don't know, Gmail application. So just find Gmail application, click on this button. You will see here sandwich button. So click on the sandwich button and click on block. Wait a while, and you will see that as you can see, Google Gmail application was successfully locked on the child's phone. So cool, as you can see, it really works. So thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.